So there's a breaking update coming in of a PMF commander having been killed in Iraq strike, as the airstrike seems to have hit the Iran-aligned base, and multiple fighters are reported to have been killed in this attack. This is the Anbar base that has been targeted in the strike, and the PMF has now confirmed its commander's death. There have been reports of several injuries as well, and this escalation in Iraq, Rishabh, has now also turned into another conflict zone.
Well, Amita, if you can come up with your question again, there was some issue with the audio.
Right. What we are looking at in Iraq's Anbar, we are looking at when it comes to their PMF fighters as well, they too have come under attack.
Well, definitely. See, one thing is very clear, Amita, and this is day 25, and every day we have been discussing that how, apart from US and Israel, any support base that is there for US or Israel in the region, in the whole of West Asia region, is under attack, and Iraq is just an addition to it. Iran has gone after, Diego Garcia as well, which is about 4,000 miles away from Iran. They use the intermediate missile and decrease the payload in that missile to extend its range from 2,000 to further. It did not hit Diego Garcia, but a message was sent loud and clear. Similarly, in Iraq as well, this base has been attacked. And other bases also we have seen.
Well, this has turned into another conflict zone, because commander of those who are said to have been killed in this air attack that has been carried out on this armed group which is said to be aligned to Iran, the PMF base in western Iraq, that has also come under attack. Rishabh will connect with you back after a short break. You're watching Times Now.